Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on the Roadanvi X12 for the RAV4 and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and watch to the end to know whether or not this head unit is worth it or not. The Roadanvi X12 is a popular aftermarket head unit that is designed specifically for the Toyota RAV4, offering a dramatic upgrade over the factory infotainment system. Its massive 12.3 QLED screen and powerful octa-core processor brings modern features to the vehicle, including seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A major benefit is its plug-and-play design, which retains essential factory features like steering wheel controls and the OEM backup cameras. While the unit is a significant improvement, there are a few drawbacks specific to the RAV4. The image quality from the factory backup camera, while functional, is often described as being worse with the Road unit with the original head unit. Some users also have reported minor software bugs such as voice command button not always working consistently or other minor issues that require firmware updates. The microphone is also reportedly inferior to the factory unit, affecting call quality. The Rode NVX12 is a woeful upgrade for a RAV4 owner who wants to completely modernize their dashboard with a large screen and wireless connectivity. It is best suited for drivers who are comfortable with a DIY installation and are willing to troubleshoot occasional minor software glitches in exchange for a huge leap in functionality and a premium user experience. For a driver who prioritizes a bug-free system and OEM reliability, a different solution might be a better fit. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.